Welcome! Today I'm showing how to link or unlink Google Assistant into your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9T. First step, go into settings and find additional settings option, this one. So click and go into button shortcuts. Choose, and here we got launch Google Assistant option. So now I got long press the home button. If I long press, home button, our Google Assistant are activate. So for example, you can choose another option, power key, power button and home button, power and menu button, or for example none. And if you choose none, your link to Google Assistant option is unactivated. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.